Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the word with the suffix of, that is archy or crazy. That is, as you can see, the forms of government and government formed by. So archy means what are the forms of government, and crazy means formed by government formed by. As you can see, the infant you can see in the thumbnail. So let us see what has been given in a slide. Anarchy, that is the government formed by none is an anarchy. Next we have antarchy, that is opposition to government, that is anarchy. With the whatever the opposition is there, that has been formed, the government is bound by the opposition. Aristarchy, that is the form of government by the best people, that is aristarchy. Autarky, the government formed by an absolute ruler, is autarky. Biarchy, by means we knew that is two people, that is even we can call it as diarchy. So government formed by the two people. As you can see to the right how exactly the two people dominate in the music, so that is also one type of biarchy. Binarchy, the two people, that is the same diarchy as well as biarchy. Next we have chiliarchy, that is a government formed by 1000 people, that is known as chiliarchy. Cosmarchy, a devil over the entire world, that is the rule over the world by a devil. Next we have cryptarchy. We know that crypto means secret, so cryptarchy means the secret rulership, that is one type of cryptarchy. Next we have decadarchy, that is deca means 10, darchy, as you can see decarchy or decadarchy both are same. The government formed by the 10 people is decadarchy. Next we have demarchy, that is the government formed by the people. We have next diarchy, that is two people. Dynarchy, again two people. Duarchy, that is also the two people. We have next ecclesiarchy, as you can see the government formed by the clerics or ecclesiastical authorities. As you can see how exactly to the right of this figure how this is formed by the clerics. Next we have gynarchy, the government formed by the woman, that is gynarchy. Hagiarchy, that is the formation of the government by the saints or holy persons, that is hagiarchy. Next we have hecatarchy, that is heca means that is 100, so the government formed by the 100 people, that is hecatarchy. Next we have heterarchy, that is the formation of the government by the foreign rulers, that is heterarchy. We have next hierarchy, the ranked body or priests, whoever is dominated and formed by the ranked body or priests, that is hierarchy. Matriarchy, we knew that matri means mother, so women ruling or mothers ruling and formation of the government by these mothers. Next we have monarchy, that is one individual. Now we have Queen Elizabeth is the one and only sole monarchy in England. Oligarchy, it is oli means that is the government formed by the few. Pedarchy means the government formed by the children, that is pedarchy. Panarchy means universal rule of domination, that is one panarchy. Next we have, I request you guys to check playlist where you will find 800 plus question papers and you can directly go through different subjects have been segregated for the various examinations. Next we have pantarchy, that is the government formed by the people, that is pantarchy. Patriarchy means we knew that patri means father, so patriarchy is government formed by the fathers or wealthy person, as you can see are men. Next we have plutarchy, means that is a government formed by the wealthy person or, that is plutarchy. As you can see how exactly the peasants of plutarchy looks like to the right side of this figure. Next we have thearchy, the rule of the god or body of divine rulers and forms a government. Next we have triarchy, means tri means three, So triarchy is the government formed by the three people is triarchy. Next we have Whigarchy means the government formed by the Whigs. So that is Whigarchy. Acracy means the government formed by the none or anarchy is both are same, that is acracy. Next we have Albocracy means the government formed by the white people, that is albocracy. Next we have Androcracy means andro means men, so it is by the men, which is the formation of the government by men. As we have Argentocracy means the formation of the government by the money, with the help of the money it has been formed. Aristocracy, that is the government by the nobility. Arithmocracy means arithmans, we can directly go through the simple majority with the formation of the simple majority. Autocracy means government by one individual is an autocracy. Bureaucracy, as you can see, that is formed by the civil servants. As you can see how exactly the bureaucracy looks like in a slide. Chirocracy means government physical force, whatever the government formed by the physical force. Aristocracy, that is the wealthy or plutocracy is another name for aristocracy, the government formed by the wealthy or plutocracy. Next we have corporatocracy means the corporate bureaucrats, the ruling of the government formation by the corporate bureaucrats. Democracy means the government formation by the people. Doulocracy means the government formation by the slaves. Next we have ergatocracy means the government formation by the workers. Ethnocracy means an ethnic group or race, that is ethnocracy. Next we have gerontocracy means the government formed by the aged. As you can see to the right how exactly the old people dominates and form the government, that is gerontocracy. Next we have gynocracy means the government formed by the women, that is gynocracy. Hagiocracy means the government formed by the priests or religion ministers, whoever is there, that is hagiocracy. So these are few things, please remember, they are very important for you for examinations. You may be given regarding one cracy question. Next we have idiocracy, that is personal rule or self rule is an idiocracy, that is the formation of the government by the personal or self rule. Infantocracy, government by infant, as you can see how exactly who dominates over the place. Isocracy, as you can see the government by personal rule or self rule is isocracy. Kakistocracy means the government formed by the meritorious person, that is kakistocracy. Mesocracy means the government formed by the middle class is mesocracy. Nomocracy means the government based on legal system, rule of law is a nomocracy. Next we have the government formed by the children or pedarchy is one thing, pedocracy and pedarchy both are same. So the government formed by the children. So please remember, infant is different and the children is different. The government formed by the wealthy, that is psephocracy, whatever the healthy persons, so whoever is there, that government is psephocracy. Next we have polycracy. Poly means many, so the government formed by the polyarchy or many rulers. Next we have psephocracy, the government resulting from the election by ballot, that formation of the government is psephocracy, so which is done by election or by the ballot, what we are doing in the election, that is a psephocracy. Please remember, this is one thing important, government resulting from the election by ballot by the voting system, that is psephocracy, which is very very important. Among all this you may be asked these questions. The government formed by the gathered assemblies of citizens, that is theatrocracy, gathered assemblies of citizens. Next we have theocracy, priests are by religious law, that is theocracy. Next we have the formation of the government by the three gods, tritheocracy is three gods. A body of foreigners, as we can see the formation of the government by a body of foreigners, that is xenocracy, which is very important. So by the foreigners it is xenocracy. As you can see, theocracy, priests are by religious law, how the government is formed on the religious principles, how they dominate over the government. I hope all these questions will help you a lot in your examinations. Please go through my playlist. If you want a PDF of 2100 GK and GS, you can directly call me on my mobile number 7667302252. I will be providing you guys a free of cost PDF of 2100 questions that will be very useful for your basics. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.